Okay.
So my ears
are getting the water out of my ears.
My ears have been stopped up for 5 days straight. So my mom decided it would be a good idea to go to Walgreens to get some ear drops.
See what I have to work with? Trying to make videos for you guys. I have to deal with this. They're always making fun of me, always mocking me.
And you know what they say, whatever mom knows best, right guys? So you gotta do what mom told you.
Now we're checking out Rainbow Falls, which is just outside of downtown Hilo.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find out.
Well, what does everyone think?
Grand.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
Oh yeah, I can smell that. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like honeysuckle.
I can't fucking enough of it.
Vanilla ice cream cake. Can't even explain it. It's the best smelling smell I've ever smelled. What do you think, Dad? How's it smell? What does it smell like to you? Like crap?
Crap, yeah.
Really? That's some good smelling crap.
Laundry. Bad laundry.
Oh, it's amazing.
Laundromat smell.
Mmm.
I want to eat it.
I know, I want to just sink my teeth into it. Mmm, it smells so good. You guys smell that?
Yes.
They need to like work on something. You can put a little sensor on the camera and like transmit senses to the people on the other end.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only a matter of time before that happens. I just wish you guys
See those white little
smell
blossoms
this.
on the tree? No. That's where it's coming from.
I'd say that these waterfalls are going to be the best because the Akaka falls are 400 feet tall and the Rainbow Falls that we first saw was only 80 feet tall.
'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fondland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
This is the true jungle right now too. Where we were earlier looking for the volcanoes, that was not nearly as lush and green as where we are right now, which is about 60 miles north.
We were traveling mountains.
Look at this tree. It looks like the tree of life at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am.
Everything is ginormous here. Look at the size of these leaves. Whoa. Dun, 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 dun. There she is.
'Cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy.